Hello everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Radha Rani, Jai Sri Tema. So right now I am in front of the Durgiana temple, which is one of the most popular temples located in Amritsar, along with Golden Temple also. So right now I just came to visit the Golden Durgiana temple, which is also made by gold and silver. The road of this temple is also made by the silver. So let's go together with me and again bolo Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Radha Rani, Jai Sri Tema. So really I am also feeling so good here, and after coming this temple I got a very good vibration inside this temple, and many more devotees and pilgrims are also coming to visit this temple also. So this is the view of this temple, and let's explore together with me and we can see how is the temple. So I am going to explore inside the temple and every parts of the temple, so let's explore together with me. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Radha. Thank you so much.
So Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Sitama, Jai Sri Krishna. So today in this time, today I have to come to visit the Durgiana temple, and we can see the view here. It's really as amazing as I had heard about this temple. So I had no words how to describe it my own words, but I am going to explain about this temple. So this temple is located the nearby Hatti Gate in Amritsar, which is very close to the Amritsar railway station and about 1.5 km from the bus station in Amritsar. So Sri Durgiana Mandir, which is called as a temple, is a Hindu temple situated in the city of Amritsar in Punjab, and through a Hindu temple, its architecture is similar to Golden Temple Harmandir Sahib. So the temple derives its name from the goddess Durga, the chief goddess who is worshipped here in this temple. So the idols of Lakshmi and Vishnu also worshipped in the temple along with Sri Ram and Sri Krishna and Radha. So all through it's believed that Durgiana Mandir was built in 1921. The temple existed before it was rebuilt in 1921. So it was recorded in the Amritsar district Gazette year of 1893, which spoke about the Durgiana Sarovar and Devi Dwar surrounding, which was visited by the Hindu pilgrims. So the architectures of Sri Durgiana temple is similar to Sri Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple, which was built in 1921 by the Guru Harsai Mal Kapoor. So Harsai Mal Kapoor, who was a descendant of Prithi Chand and hence Guru Ramdas. So the grandson of the Harsai Kapoor is currently living in the Amritsar and one of the caretaker of the idols of Harsai Mal Kapoor. So in the courtyard of the Durgiana temple is a tree where Law and Kusa bound Hanuman after the captured challenging horse of the Ashwamedh Yagya. So Ichwanku, the grandson of the sun god, performed a numbers of yagya on this land. So it's a very ancient temple. So let's see the view of this temple. I'm going to visit and explore inside the temple. Really it's a very unique temple also, which is similar to the Golden Temple that is also made by the gold plated temple. And Sitla Mata temple is also very ancient temple here, located from last 700 years. so it is existence of Talab is also mentioned in 1868 Municipal Committee Amritsar documents, and John Campbell Oman, who was professor of the natural science in the Government College of Lahore, mentioned about Durgiana temple in his book also. So these temples, sometimes called silvers temples because of its door design with the silvers fully. So let's see the view. I just came close to this temple. So really it's a very unique temple. So Siya Ramachandra ki jai. Om Buddha Buri Dino Madhra Pembure Abara Buri Chinisi Buddha Pustar Bithanan Ano Bhagaswaraksi. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namo Om Vishnave Namaha. आपदाह मातरम दातराम सर्वसंपदाम लोकाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो भद्राय रामचंद्राय बेटे से गोताय पतय नमः नीलांबुज श्यामल स्वामी श्रीमता समर्पित वासम रघुवंश सन्नाथम. So it's also one of the best experience which I got here in this temple. So legend had it that Sita and her two sons Lava and Kush stayed at this place in Maharshi Valmiki Ashram. So Bhagwan Valmiki Tirth Asthan is a temple panorama complex and important historical monuments of Maharshi Valmiki Tirth Road at the Amritsar city. So since December 2016, it has an 8-foot tall, 800 kg gold-plated idols of the sage Valmiki. So in this site where the sage Valmiki gave shelters to Sita, who was a wife of Sri Ram. After that, deity not returned to Ayodhya. So this place is also considered to be the birthplace of Lava and Kush, twin sons of the Rama. So the founder of Lahore is said to be Lava, which is located just close to the Amritsar, which is nowadays part of Pakistan. So the city name is to come from the Lavapur or the Lavapuri, which means the city of Lava. So another, the twins brother of Prince Lava, Prince Kush, is said to have found another city nearby the Lahore, which is called as a Kasur, where Ravi river is flowing from here. So let's see from inside. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare So this is a Mata Sitla Mata temple, which is also located in the temple complex, which is 700 years old temple, Prachin and old temple. So it's also a very beautiful temple. We can see there is a goddess Durga idols, Mata Sitla Devi temples, and lots of deities are also here. Even there is also a idols of the Lord Shiva, Ma Durga, Sri Krishna, Radhe Krishna, Sri Ram, Sita, along with so many idols of Lord Hanuman. So it is one of the most beautiful temple here. Let's see, this is the idol of the Sitla Mata. Even one of the Sitla Mata temple, which is also popular in Gurgaon also. So definitely I will go to visit Gurgaon, and this is the idol of lion in front of the Sitla Mata temple. So Jai Shri Durga Ma. Thank you so much.